In this video we are going to see how to draw the line, how to edit the drawing entities in AutoCAD, and how to draw the circle. These are the things we are going to see in this session. And in this AutoCAD, here I am using AutoCAD 2017 edition, and this is called as root menu. Here you can see this root menu here. It is home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, add-ins, 360, express tools, and so on. First we are going to see one by one. It is home, right? In this home you can see this draw tools. Okay, it is called draw tools. So these are the draw tool icons. You can see here it is a line. Okay, so there's a line, polyline, circle, arc, etc. right? And this is the rectangle, this is ellipse. Okay, so you can see this draw tools, and this line, polyline, circle, arcs are called as entities. Okay, based on these entities we can construct the whole drawing. It may be gear, or it may be a plan of a house, whatever may be. We are going to construct the complete drawing using these basic entities. These basic entities are line, polyline, circle, arcs, etc. right? So now we are going to see how to draw the line, right? Before that you have to use the keyboard to give the inputs, right? Now select the line in this icon. Now you have to select the point. Here you can see the first point is here, right? So now it is showing 18.7192. okay, before that you have to set the limits of the sheet, right? So this is called as a sheet or drawing area. Before that you have to set the limits. So give limits, LIMITS in keyboard, right? Give the set the limits. Now this left corner limit is 0, 0. Okay, so it is default because we are going to start from this area. See, it is called 0, 0. Okay, see here it is 0, 0. So now you can see the point, these two coordinates. No, you can see the points. It is 0, 0. Now it's going to increase. Now it's going to increasing. Okay, so we are going to give the points. Okay, now specify lower left corner. It is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is default. I gave it. It is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now specify upper right corner. Specify upper right corner. You can give the upper right corner. It is in this area. Okay, now I am giving 500. So this is a drawing area. We can draw up to this 500, 500, 0, 0. Okay, here limits are, please write, limits are 0, 0, 500, 500. Okay, now we set the sheet area. Now we are going to set the units also. Units, you can set the units. Now the default unit is inches. Now we are going to convert it into centimeters or meters, or in terms of millimeters, right? This mm, that's all. Now I am giving mm. We can give the precision value. It is 0.000 or 0.00, whatever may be you can give, right? Now give OK. So we prepared this sheet or file for our drawing. Also, one important thing is you can select this cursor and you can change the style of the cursor, right? I'll give you the tips to change the cursor. This options, go to options, and you can select this display display option, go to display option, this crosshair size you can extend up to its maximum 100, like this. You can easily track the both x-axis y-axis lines easily when the cursor is like this. Okay, hope you can understand what I am telling. Now we are going to draw the line. Select the line now. Now select the line, click the line in this icon, specify the first point. Specify the first point. Here it is asking specify its first point. You can select a point here, specify its first point, select one point, and you can use your mouse to place the line, its second point. Now give F8. F8 means ortho on. Ortho on. If you are giving this F8 again, then this ortho is off. Okay, this line is orthogonal, straight, right? If you are giving the line like this, then this ortho is on now. Now I am going to give the second point. So now you can give the distance of the line. Say for example, I am going to draw the line of 100 mm, means draw the 100 mm line, means give the value of 100 in keyboard. Okay, now you can't see the second point of a line. Okay, once you can draw the line, then you can pan the line or the sheet like this. It is your scroll bar of your mouse button, scroll bar of your mouse, and you can zoom in, zoom out. Here you can use zoom out option to see the line, or else you can use command box zoom, yes, ZOOM, zoom, extend. So you can see all the points in the line. Okay, now we are going to draw another line like this, means we are going to draw line like this. This line is orthogonal line of 50. I told you already, zoom, enter, then extend, E, enter. No need to give ZOOM, just give G, right? So you can see this. Similarly, you can draw the line of 100 here. You can use this same distance to draw the rectangle. Now you can see this is a rectangle of distance 100 mm into 50 mm. Okay, so this is a procedure to draw the lines. Okay, then similarly this is polyline. You can see this polyline here. This is 2D polyline. See here, you can see the polyline like this. You can see this. See, the main difference between this line and this polyline option is, when you are clicking this line icon, you can select the first point. Then if you are selecting the second point, then it will ask its second point, then it will end. If you are giving the polyline, means okay, say for example polyline, okay. Now I am going to draw the two drawings. This is the two drawings. You know already, I draw this rectangle using this line command, and I draw this drawing using this polyline command. You can see this polyline means this is a single region. Here you can see it is a single region, but in this we can select the entity like this. Now it's a line, it's a line, it's a line. If you are selecting this means then it will select as a whole surface. Okay, so this is the difference between this polyline and line command. Hope you can understand what I am telling, the difference between polyline and line. Okay, now I am going to tell the circles and the types of circles available in AutoCAD. Okay, now we are going to select the circle. Circle means you can select the circle. Now here you can see in the command box, specify the center point of the circle. It is center point. You can see the center point of a circle. So I selected the center point here. Then now specify the radius or diameter. If you are giving the circle's diameter, you can give D, enter. Okay, now you can give the diameter. Now the diameter means now I am giving 50. Now its diameter is 50. Now I am going to give another circle of radius. If you are going to give radius means then give R. No need to give whole value. Radius, circle, radius, specify radius. So it is already available with the radius. So here you can't give radius. Now directly give radius is 25. Yes. So we can give the dimensions of the circle in a two-way, like both the radius and the circle. This is one way to draw the circle, and this is another type of circle. Here create a circle using the center point and the diameter. Okay, select a point. You can select its diameter. This is the diameter. Okay, here you can select the diameter, or you can give the diameter. Okay, so now I am giving 100. You can give the diameter or you can select the diameter. It is a two-way to draw the circles. Next is this is a 2-point circle. You can select a point here, first point and a second point. Second point you can simply select the 2 points. Say for example I am going to give the circle between these 2 points, means to select this icon, then you can select the 2 points, then you can draw the circle within the 2 points. So this is a procedure to draw the circle. Okay, now similarly we are going to draw the 3-point circle. 3 point, it is see 1, 2 and 3. It is a third point, so it is asking its third point. Okay, listen here. You can repeat the same command using the space bar or give enter. If you are pressing enter, then it's going to loop the previous command. Okay, so I am going to select first point, second point and the third point. So we can draw the circle. It is called 3-point circle. 3-point circle. Then next is tangent radius. Okay, so you can draw the circle using tangent. Okay, this is a tangent, here I am selecting the circle, 2 circles. The circle is tangent. See, you can select the circle or a line, but it should be tangent, right? These circles are tangent to the circle. Then you can select the distance. Okay, it is a procedure to draw the line, circle to